If you're charged with a violent felony in LA County, you've got to get a criminal defense attorney that has experience with these type of cases and has had success. For the past 25 years, I've seen the gradual shift towards being very, very serious on these type of cases. The head prosecutors now feel like it's their mission, it's their job to make sure these violent felonies and even violent misdemeanors are prosecuted in a very harsh manner. They therefore micromanage the cases and take all the authority themselves. So a lot of times what I find myself having to do, I can't negotiate with the other prosecutors because they don't have the authority to do anything. They don't have the authority to give my client a break, to give them a chance, to earn a misdemeanor or a dismissal or any type of diversionary program, to keep them out of prison, to protect their record. These are things that are not in the lower level prosecutor's ability to do. So you've got to set up a meeting with the head prosecutors, the more savvy ones that have been around the block, and you've got to really differentiate your client from some of these other individuals who are committing these violent felonies. We get together a mitigation package where we lay out all the good things related to our client, and then you've got to have the experience of having dealt with these type of cases and convincing the prosecutor that your client is not going to reoffend. They're never going to see your client again, and this was just an aberration. To do that, to make these convincing arguments, you have to have the experience behind you. You have to have the know-how. Some of these cases, you have to have had the ability to try the case and win it and damage the prosecutor's case to show them, look, you don't have that solid of a case. There's problems with your case. You've overcharged it. And if you can't make those arguments and you hadn't done that before, then you're not going to be successful. So if you're in a situation where you're charged with a violent felony or you have a loved one that is charged with a violent felony, give me a call. Let's sit down face to face. Give me the circumstances, lay it out for me truthfully, and then I can kind of give you a truthful assessment of where you stand and what can be done to help you.